से जानी शुणी तुमको आघात कले। He knowingly hurt you. He knowingly hurt you. तुमे जहा कहिबाकु चाहुछ मते शुणिबाकु पड़िबो। I have to listen what you want to speak. I have to listen what you want to speak. भाबिबाकु मते किछि समय दियो। Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. तुमे कौन शुणिबाकु चाहुछ? What do you want to listen? What do you want to listen? तुमे लज्जित हेबा जरूरी। You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. से जहाँ जानती तुमे कहि पारिबो कि? Can you speak what he knows? Can you speak what he knows? मु तुम बिना एकुटिया अछि। I am lonely without you. I am lonely without you. आपण एहा करिबाकु किपरि साहस करंती? How dare you do so? How dare you do so? से जहा करि पारिबे ताहा करि पारिबो कि? Can you do what he can? Can you do what he can? ताहा यथेष्ट नुहे। That's not enough. That's not enough. एहा तुमरो पेन कि जहा मो पाखरे अछि? Is this your pen which I have? Is this your pen which I have? मु तुमको बहुत पसंद करे। I like you very much. I like you very much. जेउ पेन तुम पाखरे अछि ताहा मोर अटे। The pen which you have is mine. The pen which you have is mine. एही पुस्तक गुड़िक आमर। These books are ours. These books are ours. मोर कलम फेराई दियो। Give my pen back. Give my pen back. आपण एहा किपरि कहि पारिबे? How could you say that? How could you say that? मु जहा कुहे तुमे सुनो कि? Do you listen what I speak? Do you listen what I speak? तुमे जहा कहुछ मु सुनु नाही। What you speak I don't listen. What you speak I don't listen. केही जणे आसुछंती। Someone is coming. Someone is coming. आपण कहिबाकु चेष्टा करिबा उचित। You should try to speak. You should try to speak. वर्तमान फेरिबार समय आसीछि। Now it is the time to go back. Now it is the time to go back. आपण काहेकि एठाकु आसीबाकु चाहुछंती? Why do you want to come here? Why do you want to come here? मु किछि किनिबाकु चाहे। I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. तुमे जहा करि पारिबो तुमे सब किछि करिबा उचित। You should do everything what you can. You should do everything what you can. चिंता करिवार किछि नाही। Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. मु सेठाकु जाउछि कारण मोर किछि काम अछि। I am going there because I have some work. I am going there because I have some work. ଆପଣ ଏଠାରେ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you here alone? Are you here alone? ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝେଇବା ହିଁ ବେକାର. It is useless to make you understand. It is useless to make you understand. ତୁମର କେଉଁ କାମ ଅଛି ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କହିବ କି? Will you tell me what work do you have? Will you tell me what work do you have? ମୋତେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କର ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ. Believe me, I don't know. Believe me, I don't know. ଯଦି ମୁଁ କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ତୁମକୁ କଲ୍ କଲେ ହେବ? It is okay if I call you after a while. It is okay if I call you after a while. ଦୟାକରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜାଗ୍ରତ କର. Please wake him up. Please wake him up.